Hi everyone, great job on Module 1 and getting it all finished, and welcome to Module 2. In our first task, Task A, we're going to take a look at the curriculum framework for the diploma program. Specifically, we're going to be working a lot with this graphic, which is the diploma program model. In our inquiry stage, we'll look at why the program model is organized as concentric circles. And in our actions, we'll look at the development of the program model over the past 50 years of the IB and consider how the current model expresses the IB mission. We'll also put ourselves in the shoes of a student and ask each of you to plan your own diploma course configuration for a personalized liberal arts program. So a few things to remember when you get to that one. You must take one course in each subject group, 3 courses at the standard level, and 3 courses at the higher level. To add to the personalization, Group 6 can either be an arts course or an elective taken from one of the other subject groups. Can you find the courses that are transdisciplinary and can be used in more than one subject group? Finally, our reflection in Task A will be to take a look at the standards and practices one more time, and this time ask which ones are evident in the diploma program model. Enjoy.